How can you use one of your greatest strengths? The ability to be vulnerable. Sounds scary, but it is really not. You're going to need 2 pieces of paper, and on one, at the top in big bold letters, write the word keep, and on the other, you're going to write the word let go. As you're writing these lists, I'm going to go through what they are. I just want you to remember that this is about you, not anybody else or anybody else's opinion. On the keep list, I want you to write values that you might want, or even better, qualities that you love about yourself. It could be about health practices, a holiday, people that you want to spend time with, people that you feel good around. For example, loving, supportive friends and family. The let go list is all about letting go and getting rid of what does not support you. It might be people, and on this list, you could add things, habits, changes that you want to make, actions that you have that aren't really positive for you. Put it all on the let go list. Then I want you to leave both lists for 24 hours and come back to them and make any adjustments that you feel like you need to. You need to put the keep list somewhere public, somewhere that you can see it every single day. A place where someone might ask you a question, what's this list about? Why would you do that? Because it makes you more accountable. And accountability really helps you go after what you want on the keep list. The let go list, I want you to burn it safely. That comes with a warning. You're going to really this is a list that you don't want to keep. Burn it on that same day that you do your adjustments. Get rid of it. And as you're saying it, as you're burning it, you're going to say, thank you, but I no longer need you. So what's the vulnerability part? I said it wouldn't be scary, and it's not. It's letting go of what you no longer need and asking and putting on the keep list what you want and sharing it with those around you. Now you need to focus on the keep list. Is there something on there that's a little bit scary to you? Well, let's do this together. Book a free 30-minute session with me and let's get started.